To check your transaction history on Venmo, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find your past transactions easily. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Go to the menu. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines with icon located in the upper left corner of the app. This will open the main menu where you can find various options. Step 3. Select Manage Balance. In the menu, look for the option labeled Manage Balance or Settings. Tap on it to proceed to your account settings. Step 4. Access Transaction History. Within the account settings, find and select Transaction History or Activity. This section will display a list of all your past transactions, including payments sent and received. Step 5. Review your transactions. Scroll through your transaction history to review details such as dates, amounts, and transaction descriptions. You can also use the search function to find specific transactions if needed. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Venmo whenever you need to.